friends, I am Rashmi. Welcome to SRS Info. Today we will discuss the topic tablet coating. So, what is tablet coating? Most probably, most of the tablets are covered with some coating to cover or hide or reduce the unpleasant smell and odor. Most of the medicaments are bitter in taste and they don't have a good smell. So, to cover these things, we are normally using this tablet coating. The tablets are coated for the sake of pharmaceutical elegance by improving the appearance, taste and stability. This is the main purpose of tablet coating. But nowadays, these coating are also used to control the site of drug release. That means entry coating. Entry coating tablet releases the drug, the site of their action. It is dissolved in the bloodstream at a particular site. This is the entry coated tablet. So for giving this entry coating, we are using this tablet coating. And then to delay or prolong the release of drug from the dosage form. That means sustained action release tablet. Okay. So both of these purposes we are using the tablet coating. And of course to improve the appearance, taste and stability of tablets. Then the nature of coating may be simple or complex. Simple coating means it just gives a thin film of varnish applied to make the tablet dust free and reduce bitter taste. This is the main purpose of simple coating, which we can call as sugar coating. Most probably simple coating is done with sugar. So this is used to reduce the bitter taste of the tablet and to protect the tablet from the dust and improves the stability of the tablet. This is simple coating. What is in the case of complex coating? Complex coating is done where inner and outer shell consisting of different types of drugs which may be incompatible. If we combine the incompatible drugs to form a single tablet, then multi-layer coating is done. So this is what we can call as complex coating. And in the most of the cases, the sustained released tablets and entry coated tablets are giving this multi-layer coating, which we can call as complex coating. Okay, so mainly two types of coating are there, simple and complex. Then the tablet coating, based on the material which we are used and the technique which we are used, mainly there are different types of, that is main 5 types of coating are available. What are they? Sugar coating, film coating, compression coating, entry coating and micro encapsulation. These are the different types of tablet coating. Let us study in detail about all these types of coating. The first one is sugar coating. What is it? See, we have already discussed that simple coating of tablet is done by sugar. This is the oldest and most commonly used method of coating of the tablets on a commercial state. The commercial production of tablets are undergoing this process of sugar coating, which gives a good appearance and good taste for these medicaments in the tablets. And this is used to mask the unpleasant taste and odor and to improve the appearance of the tablets and also to protect the ingredients from decomposition on exposure to air and moisture. This is we can call as stability. So mainly sugar coating is used to give stability to tablet, to improve the appearance and for giving a pleasant taste and odor or to cover the unpleasant taste. Okay. Then the important point to be noticed here is that the tablets which are to be coated are made with convex surface instead of flat surface. Why? The coating tablets are most probably, you can see that this is convex surface. This is not a flat, because the tablets with convex surfaces are easier to coat than with the flat surfaces. So coating is easier and comfortable with the tablets having convex surfaces rather than the tablets having flat surfaces. The compressed tablets are shaken on sieves. What happens is, first we have to produce the tablet, okay, and these tablets are undergoing a sieving process to remove if there is any fine powder or broken tablets are there even after the compression. And first the tablets are undergoing the sieving process and only the finished and fine stable tablets are going to the coating pan for tablets coating, and the broken and unfinished tablets and any fine powder is left, all these are getting avoided, getting kept aside, and the fine tablets are undergoing this coating. and this is the machine which is used for coating of the tablets. The coating pans, which we can call as coating pan. These coating pans are spherical vessels. See here, these are the spherical vessels made of copper or stainless steel, which rotate on the axis driven by a motor. This is the axis, this is driven by a motor. This vessel undergoes the rotation. And the polishing pans consist of a canvas drums which may be rotated on the same machine after removing the coating pan. This is the mechanism. The polishing pan consists of the canvas drums which may be rotated on the same machine. The canvassing drum rotates on the same machine after removing the coating pan. This is the canvas drum. The pans are fitted with air blowers to force hot or cold air to facilitate drying. What happens is the tablet is putting inside this drum or the canvas pan. There is a canvas drum in that pan. The tablets are put here and the coating solution, for example, the sugar solution is putting inside this canvas drum, and from one side the heated air is passed inside the canvas drum, and by this heat the tablets get coated. That the sugar solution is get coated over the tablets and undergoing the drying process, and the heated air is directed into the pan and onto the tablet bed surface through a duct and exhausted out by means of another duct. Air supply coming from here and it is passed through here. Okay. Coating solution is applied either through loading or by spraying. The coating solution is applied either through ladling or by spraying. Okay. Air supply is coming from here, and after drying, through this dry air, what happens? The liquid sugar gets coated over the tablets and the cool air passes through this outer duct. Okay, this is the mechanism of sugar coating. The pans are fitted with air blowers to force hot or cold air to facilitate drying, fitted with exhaust pipes to remove the unwanted dusting powders and moisture from the coating pans. Along with the drying process, what happens is the exhaust pipes are fitted to remove the unwanted dusting powder and moisture from the coating pans. This is the exhaust. Here the exhaust. This is the air supply arrow here. Exhaust is here. Exhaust plenum is here also. Okay. Then the sugar coating is passed through by spray. This is the percolated coating pan. Clear? And here this is the tablet bed. This is the diagram of the machine used for sugar coating. Clear? Mainly, there are 5 stages for sugar coating. I just give you the introduction here, and in detail we discuss in the next class. What are the main stages of this sugar coating? The first step is waterproofing, then subcoating, smoothing, coloring and finishing, then polishing. All these steps are very important. We will discuss all these steps in detail in the next class. Today I just give you the introduction of tablet coating and what are the different types of tablet coating. Thank you for watching.